Hey guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to Makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have a Jeffree Star mystery box. So if you want to see what's in my box, let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so just to give you the details on this, it's the limited edition travel hand mirror mystery bundle. So you got to choose your hand mirror, and you could choose between a lavender glitter star shape, which those look like this. This is the shape. This is from a prior box. So you could choose lavender glitter, mint glitter, or the rainbow haze cleaver shape. The box itself was $100, but it says it has a $230 value. Let's see. What are the details? It's got makeup and skincare items, including a full-size eyeshadow palette. And these mirrors are exclusive to this mystery bundle. And there were no artistry eye singles included in these this time. So I'm just hoping I don't get anything that I already own. So when you open the box, this is the presentation. He does always send a card with like promo on it, but this is the presentation here. So this card is talking about his brow products that he just released. So there's a brow pencil and a brow shapeshifter, which is a brow gel. So yeah, we have the brow designer and the brow shapeshifter. So the brow, yeah, so beautiful colors. So we have that. So on top, we're gonna go over the mirror first. I picked the cleaver. So I asked Ian, because I couldn't decide between the mint star mirror, because I've been really into mint lately, or the cleaver. And he was like, if you don't pick the cleaver, it's really heavy, honestly. So this is what it looks like. And then the mirror on this side. Like, compared, well, it's slightly heavier, but it's roughly the same size. Love it. In love with it. It's so pretty. I got two mirrors. And that was his other thing. He was like, the reason I want you to pick a cleaver mirror is, well, one, it's a cleaver and you love horror. But two, you already have a star mirror. And he was like, I want the cleaver. And I was like, no, I'm going to use it. I use my star mirror every day. So I was like, if you think you're getting that cleaver, you are out your ever-loving mind. So then we have 3 products on this top layer of tissue paper. So the first one here is the gloss in the shade Shockwave. I should have a white out. Yes. So, this is gorgeous. I only have one lip product from Jeffree Star, and it's a bullet lipstick in a red. So, ooh, smells like cake. Huh? Ooh. That is stunning. Oh, I'm in love with that. That's beautiful. Then we have a Supreme gloss. So I had a Supreme gloss, but it was in the most hottest of hot pink shades. This one's in the shade Top Shelf. Ooh. Yeah, we're absolutely gonna use this. So it's got the fun applicator. Ooh, I don't, it smells like cream cheese. it's a little more sheer than the last one I had, but I love the color. So, now this is the Lip Arousal in the shade Versatile. This is a lip plumper. And it says it's got peptides. We love that. Jojoba oil. Love it. Avocado oil. Great. Vitamin E. Fantastic. Chili pepper extract. So this is the shade. I don't like lip plumpers. And I just don't know how hot and ouch this is going to be. So I actually think I'm going to put this up for sale on my Mercari, because I would hate to use it once and then for it to not be able to be used, because I'm so sensitive to lip plumpers. So this is going to be put up on my Mercari. It's okay. It happens. It's not his fault that I'm a wimp to lip plumpers. So then we're going to save the palette for last, but we have a bundle of items. So we got more lips. We have a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Red Rum. Red Rum. I don't wear reds. But it is. That just smells like lipstick. And it's like his quintessential formula. Oh, that is really pretty though. So we have Red Rum. Sorry. Then we have, ooh, a Liquid Star Shadow. I had one. This is in the shade Wood Queen. I had one in like a green color, but I just couldn't get it to work on the eyes. So, ooh, hopefully this one will work better for me. Ooh, that's a beautiful, almost black, like coffee brown. That's exciting. Then we have, ooh, lip oil. This is the Wyoming Winter Lip Oil. So it's got camellia oil. That has fatty acids that leave the lips supple and smooth. Olive oil that conditions and moisturizes. It's made in Korea. Oh, that's gorgeous. Now, I'm not usually a fan of lip oils, but it doesn't have a scent. Okay, let's see. Oh, it does have a tiny hint of blue. Look how much that pulls out when you take the doe foot out, because it's so big. Okay. Ooh, it does feel a little sticky. We'll see. I'm going to have to give that a try and report back. I own this product. Dang it. We have one repeat. So one item that I won't use because it's a plumper, and one repeat item. So I will have to go grab mine to show you, because I'm not going to open this. But we did get a Skin Frost highlighter, which, love that. And it's in the shade Ice Cold. And I have the shade Ice Cold in a highlighter palette. So let me go grab that so I can still swatch the shade for you. So it's in my Platinum Ice Skin Frost palette. So this is the shade Ice Cold. And it's that right there. It's got like a hint of warmth. Like, it's not even gold, but it's almost like taupe. Like a taupey gold. So that shade, this full-size one, will also be up on my Mercari. I'll probably just list them as a bundle, and then like if somebody wants to separate them, that's fine, but I'll probably just list those as a bundle. So let me get these off and we'll get into the palette. All right, and I'm so happy that it's a palette I don't own, because I do own a lot of Jeffree Star palettes. So we got the gold-blooded palette. Oh, I was holding it upside down. There we go, gold-blooded. So it slides out of the box. This is what the top looks like. Let me pull the little sticky off. That's a nice little tray that I could keep some things in my desk, to be honest. So then, here's the palette. It's honestly pretty thin. Ooh, that's a beautiful magnetic closure. That was a good one. Pull that off. And then let's get that off. And so obviously we get a mirror, it folds out flat, and this is what the palette looks like. I love this pop of bright pink. This is beautiful. So let's give it a swatch. So we have Inspiration, Honest Truth, and Perseverance. Ooh, that yellow. Okay, you can kind of see that first shade. I did not get out another makeup wipe. Yes, my bad. Let me know if you guys own any of these products and how you feel about them. I'd love to know. So then that was the name of the, what are you? The Supreme gloss that I had? It's this one, Queen Supreme. That was the name of the gloss that I had that I got rid of. Then we have Internet Royalty and Boss Mentality. Ooh, I love this shade, that mustard. Yeah, that's stunning. Ooh, and now we got shimmers. Here, I'm going to do the bottom row next, actually, because I'm going to do the mattes. So we have Drama, Eternal, and Courageous. Beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. We love that. And then these ones are dark. We have Resilience, Legacy, and Built Different. Yeah, I'm different. Ooh, Built Different has like some purple in it. Alright, these wipes suck. Alright, let me get on a new wipe for the shimmers. And we will get into those. So, we have Star Decadence, The Influencer, and Living Legend. Oh, those are beautiful. Okay, that Star Decadence shade is like a slightly different texture. And then we have Gold Blooded, We have Vincent Van Gogh. Oh. And Fire Phoenix. Yep. Vincent Van Gogh is like a different texture as well. And then Fire Phoenix is like a satin. This is such a pretty palette. I'm so excited to use this. So, that is going to do it for the Jeffree Star mystery box. Again, I'm super happy. Basically, I'm happy I got a palette that I didn't own. And I got a bunch of lip products and an eyeshadow that I didn't have that I'm excited to try. 2 products. And like, I didn't own this, but I'm so nervous about lip plumpers. My lips are so sensitive that I don't even want to try that. So to only have one like technical repeat product, I'm really thrilled with that. So let me know what you think of this mystery box. Let me know what you think of the mirror. Here, we got to show that off again because she's stunning, stunningly gorgeous. But that is going to do it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.